Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to send or receive a friend request on Fortnite and it's just not working, maybe it is stuck, not showing up, or says friend request fail, trust me, you are definitely not alone. This issue is super common across the platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, PC, or even mobile. But the good news here is that in this video I will walk you through all the easy step-by-step fixes to get your friend request working again on Fortnite. We will cover both sending and receiving issues, and I will also show you how to check your settings in Epic Games because that's usually where the problem starts. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description of all the resources mentioned in today's video. Now without further delay, let's jump right in. So first of all, we are going to check the Epic Games privacy settings. For that, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Epic Games. Now once you are able to find the first link, you need to simply click on it. So this is the store.epicgames.com. Now once you are on this page, you are going to see this login button in the top right hand corner. So you need to click on login and provide your login credentials, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, instead of the login option, you will see your username now and your profile icon in the top right hand corner like this one. So you need to click on it, and over here you just have to simply click on the account option. Now once you are in your account, you just have to simply just click on this option, that is communication preferences, and over here you need to make sure that all of these tabs are turned on. If any of these tabs are off, you just have to simply tap on that and you just have to turn the toggle button on, just like so. Next, you need to click on the personalized messages, and here in the personalized messages as well, you will have to simply turn on all of these buttons. You will most probably going to see only two options, that is experience messages and purchase messages. So you just have to simply turn on the toggle button and you just have to click on the save changes. After that, you just have to go to your password and security tab, and over here you need to simply make sure that the auto decline friend request option is set to off. Also, you need to set who can send you the friend request, and you need to set it to anyone or friends of friends. So once you are done with these settings, you just have to simply click on the save settings option and then launch your Fortnite game, and you need to try again. So this alone fix is going to fix all of the issues for most of the players. But in your case, if the issue still persists, you can also try this second method, in which you need to make sure that you are using the Epic username and not the console name. So this is a common mistake while sending the friend request, is sometimes we use the PlayStation ID or the Xbox game tag instead of the Epic username. So this that you are seeing in the top right hand corner, this is your Epic Games display name or your username. So you need to simply find your friend based on this particular username and not your console's username, to be very specific. Now to find your friend's Epic name, you just have to simply first of all launch your Fortnite game, and there in the search bar you need to simply search for your friends list. Now once you are able to find your friends list, you just have to simply click on the add friends button right next to their profile, and it should say search by Epic display name. So again, as I said earlier, this type of display name will be your and theirs display name. So you need to enter the correct Epic ID and send the friend request. You can even ask your friend to send their exact Epic game Epic name including capitalization. Now if the issue still persists in your case, you can also try this method, in which you can just update your Fortnite game and you can just restart your device, because sometimes it's just a bug that needs a refresh. So in order to do it, you just have to make sure that your game is fully updated. If not, you just have to simply restart your game and the device, it can be console, PC or mobile, and you need to simply relaunch your game and you need to test it again. So if your console on your console, you can also check for the system updates. The outdated softwares can also affect your online connectivity and features like friend request. You can also check any blocked user or any pending request. So if that's the case with you, and it's possible that you accidentally blocked the person you are trying to add, or they blocked you, or there is a friend request already pending that you didn't see it. So in order to check that, you just have to open your Fortnite game, and then you just have to go to your friends list. Now in your friends list you will see the block tab, so you need to simply unblock it if needed, and then you need to simply request and send them the request, and once it is say pending, to accept, or you can cancel the existing requests. Also, if your friend list is full, like Epic Game actually allows a maximum of 1000 friends, you may need to remove a few inactive ones before actually sending the new requests. You can also check your internet connection and your net type. Friend request issues can also be caused by the network restrictions, so you can run a speed test and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. In order to run a speed test, you need to simply open your web browser and you need to simply search for internet speed test. Now once you search for this query, you will find the first link, that is speed test by Ookla. So you need to simply click on it, and from here you can just run a speed test. Click on the go option and it will take some time to show you the stats. Now if you are on console, you can check your net type under the network settings, and it should say open or type 1. If it says strict or type 3, that can block the online features like friend requests, and if that's the case with you, restarting your router or switching to a wired connection may help you. Now you can also avoid using the VPNs or firewalls that might block Fortnite's connection to Epic servers. So if you have already downloaded any of the VPNs even in your web browser, I will highly recommend you to remove that. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes helped you to get your friend request working again on Fortnite. Let me know in the comments which one actually worked for you, or if you are still stuck, I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.